Let's convert 460 millimeters of mercury to atmospheres. So here's how we do it. So we have this conversion factor up here, 1 atmosphere. That equals 760 millimeters of mercury. So we're going to take the 460 millimeters of mercury and multiply it by the conversion factor. What we want to do is we want to cancel out this millimeters of mercury here. So let's put 760 millimeters on the bottom, the denominator here, so these will cancel out, and the 1 atmosphere, we'll put that up top here. So this is the conversion factor. When we multiply millimeters of mercury, that cancels out. We're left with ATM. That's what we're looking for. So 460 divided by 760, that equals 0.6052. Let's just call it 0.605. And the units, that's going to be ATM, because that's all that's left. And that's how we know it's right. We ended up with only ATM here, which is what we're looking for. It's Dr. B converting 460 millimeters of mercury to atmospheres. Thanks for watching.